how to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your air conditioning if it's not cooling. So this is a Honda Civic, and the problem we're facing that it's not blowing cold air. Well, it is, but it's not as cold as it's supposed to be. So I can still feel it cold, so I know the system is working fine. It's just not giving me enough cool. So I'll show you how to fix it. You might be able to fix it if it's not cooling at all. So the first thing you need to do is start the car, and once the car is started, let it warm up. My car is already warmed up, so I'm going to go ahead and blast the AC. If you have a max AC thing, make sure to turn it on, turn the inside circulation on, and the AC make sure the AC is on, and this is all the way down to the pool. So you're blasting the AC, let it run for a while for the AC to catch up, and then if you have one of these guns, you can check the temperature, what is cooling right now. So I'm just gonna wait it for it to run for a little bit, and then maybe after 5 minutes I'm going to take another reading just to make sure it's nice and cool. Okay, so let's try it one more time. So it says 72.3, it's kind of dropping. Okay, so that's the coolest I can get after 5 minutes. 69.70, that's not good. Okay, once you're at your engine, you have to make sure your compressor is running. So you have to find your compressor, and on the front of the compressor you'll see this, and make sure the front side is running along with the belt. The belt is normally running, but sometimes the front is not working. But over here you can easily see that this part is running, so we know that the compressor is working good. Now there are two lines. There's a thin line right here, and then there's a thicker line. And in our case, this is the thicker line. It should say L on there. That means the low pressure. So we're going to go ahead and remove the cap from the low pressure. And this is the setup that you need. Make sure you find out what your air conditioning system is. Sometimes it's written right there. So it tells us that this is the R134A. There you can see it. And this is the R134A that we're using. And all you have to do is just connect this port over here. It just snaps on like this, and it has a ring to it, so it kind of, once you snap on, you have to make sure it's holding it tight. And then this thing has a gauge on there. Highly recommend get the one with the gauge, so it's easier for you to follow. So let's go ahead and connect this. To connect this, pull this upwards, and push it in, and that's it. Now it should be nice and snug. And let's see what our gauges is reading. So you can see it's in the green zone, but it's on the low green. So that's a good indication. So what you can do is shake the can a little bit like this. Not a whole lot, but you know, press this trigger and it's going to start filling up gas, and you have to do this 12, 3, 12, 3. So ready? We're going to go ahead and start pumping some gas, and you're going to see the needle, the black needle, going up. And there are these guidelines, so you can set it up. So set the lower one to the black, and that just guides you that you don't want to go above that other red line. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And somewhere you're going to start feeling the can getting cold, which is a good sign. So keep following the process until you find yourself in a good green zone. And sometimes the gauge is not 100% accurate, so you have to be careful that you don't want to go in the red zone. So I know the gas is definitely going in the system, so I'm going to go ahead and put this over here and go inside and see if it made any difference. And that's the best indication. Well, I can already feel it cold, so. Oh wow, 64.7, that's pretty good as compared to before. Before it was close to like 70. So definitely saw some difference. And that's it. Once you're done, and once you find yourself in the green zone and you're comfortable with it, then definitely don't go in the red zone, and stay in the green zone, and you're all good. So that's it, guys. I think I'm good with this much, and this is how you fill it up. Just unplug it, make sure you put the L plug back on to the port, and that's it. Hopefully this video helps you guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.